a konjwetse he mogotsi wa ka batho ba ngata ba social media ba bua ka Nota tjena o bua dintho tse tlang fela ka hlong ya hae bile ba o seolla like ba criticize jwa e reng ho wena ntwe Nota.
It makes me more famous. It makes me more influential.
So it's all about fame. With
yeah, fame is very important. It makes people treat you differently.
Oh.
Yeah, I've seen it because I've made people famous before.
Okay.
Kwesta, not Slicker or Squatter Camp or whatever, because I'm the one that made Kwesta famous. You understand? I made him famous around the entire country. Around the entire country. I went there to fix back. Tate Moshowa used to take us there to do promotions, to make sure that our music is playing. Tate Moshowa used to do lots of charity things with Lesedi Fm. You understand? Mshowa Mille. Yes, obviously, since I was a boy.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've been in this business for many years. So I know Tate Moshowa, even when he came and he had his understudy, DJ Finzo, who started being the compiler on the radio station. I went there.
What's DJ Finzo?
Yeah.
Who connected?
Like, what's that radio station called Bloemfontein? I know Skuzabell FM. I know there's another one. What is it?
Musupatsi. All right.
All those places.
Ke batla re bue ka ntho he Nota. Ha o tshane. Ha o tshowe hore o tla bo bua ka batho tjena ha re nke mohlala ka ntho ya AKA. O buile mabitso a batho manga botse dipotso ha o tsaba hore neng wena o ka iphumana o le chankane ka patronkong ku bua ntho tso bua.
So they'll kill you for the information that you know. So whether you speak that information or you don't speak that information, you're a target. Just because you've got that information, you know the truth. So now I know the truth of AKA, you know. And AKA, he had married into a very powerful family. And they took him out because that powerful family has got the secrets of the powers that... No, but it's the same thing for Lynn.
Yes, yeah. So na ke botsa hore ha o tshabe hore maybe mohlomong o la bitsa mabitso a ke mang ha botse dipotso mang a itse wena personally ha o tshabe hore o tla thwe a ke re investigate wena neng o qetelle o le chankane.
No, they can't investigate me for anything. I haven't committed a crime. The only thing they can do is kill me. Yeah, that's the only thing. So I'm not scared of dying. Steve Biko wasn't afraid of dying. Robert Sobiko wasn't afraid of dying, so why must Nota be afraid of dying? AKA wasn't afraid of dying. I mean, my parents will get money, you know. Capital Legacy will pay them money.
Yeah, o sa bile ka parents jwale. Batswadi ba ba reng mohlomong ha ona ntate wa ka pa mme a ngwana ka man. O ba di koranteng, di televisioning mona go khutlanyane man ba reng batswadi.
Yeah, no, my parents are scared. You know, I even had to give up my wife because of this. Because it's safer for her to be away from me, so that I can speak however I want to speak. I also had to decide I don't want to have children, because if I have children, then they'll target me. You know, one day I'll take my kids to school.
Why not about target? Why?
Because this country is run by certain people that want to have power over black people. They want to create new royal families. You understand? And those royal families are not based on whether they're being given the God-given right to be our royalty. You know. They are given power and money and influence. So, yeah, sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes. Yeah, Jonito produced Bachukara.
Okay.
Yeah, so Bachukara has been on Lesedi for many years, so I used to listen to Bachukara's show.
All right.
So, I mean, Kroonstad is the city in the world with the most diamonds. Have you been to Kroonstad? When was the last time you went to Kroonstad?
If you didn't,
okay. Can you believe that there's the most diamonds in the world underneath the ground are in Kroonstad?
Kroonstad. Nota.
That's why it's called Kroonstad. Crown state. Kroon is a crown in Afrikaans.
Nota.
20% of the world's gold comes from the Free State. Now, when you go back to the Free State, does it tell you that 20% of the world's gold production is from the Free State?
Jolly, ako eme here, rie mabenkele. What's mabenkele ke?
Yeah, no, kidi shop. Shop at Sakhali.